Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So here it is my project MQTT data. I'm taking the data from DHT22 sensor, which is temperature and humidity sensor. So this is the dashboard of Raspberry Node-RED. I'm not using Raspberry Pi because we have a feature in our window that we can install Node-RED with the help of Node.js, and we can also you can say okay, we can also download MQTT breaker in our laptop. So we don't need Raspberry Pi to do these tasks. So here it is my flow network nodes which I'm using. So you can see these nodes are connected with my gauge meter. So I'm just type here to 0 to 100 unit and percent and degree centigrade. Percent is showing that it is 41 degrees and 41% humidity level, and in my room it is about 24.1 degree centigrade temperature. So let's go to, so this is my laptop. So this is my desktop in which I'm using DHT22 sensor. Here it is my sensor, and this is my ESP do it ESP32 DevKit V1 ESP32 controller. So taking onward to this is my PC. So here this window is serial port. Let me take out here. So this is showing the data as well. You can see 24 and 39 is humidity, and when we take to node-RED, so it is 24.1 and 41. It update data nearly about 10 seconds, so don't you worry about the number. Okay, now we will move to our code. So here it is our code, node-RED code, in which I program and I just plug in my Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi SSID and Wi-Fi password, and then I just plug in my MQTT host IP address. So this address take me help to connect my MQTT broker. This is MQTT broker IP. So this IP help me to get my data on MQTT in Node-RED like this. I will show you. Let me show you. Just you can see that 172.168. So this IP is same as the previous one which I code in Arduino. So this is thank you for listening. Jazakallah.